Hi everyone, this is Anna Brandt, and I know it's confusing being a part of my world. Trust me, you should try being in my brain. A lot of people say they're confused with the different websites that I have, the different platforms, and they just don't understand no matter how many times we explain it. So I'm going to do another video for those on YouTube or on my social, and hopefully if you take 5 minutes, grab a cup of coffee, grab a cocktail, wherever you are in the world, if you take a few minutes to just watch this video, I think you'll understand. So let's start at the beginning. AnnaBrandt.com is my photography website. I have been a photographer for 25 going on my 26 years. I specialize in maternity, newborn children, and family. I have a lifetime program for my clients, and I usually photograph Tuesday through Friday in my studio. How do I handle photographing my clients and the busy traveling schedule? I just do. Most of my clients are pre-booked, and they know that they can purchase their session online. They can see the pricing. They can go to my galleries. Everything is very simple, and many of them pre-book. And if they don't, I ask them to let me know within 24 to 48 hours of having their baby so I can schedule them. And I've never missed a baby yet. Now, I do teach. So let's talk about photographers. On AnnaBrandtEducation.com is my original in-person site that shows my in-person workshop. I just wrapped up this 2-day baby academy. You can see my basic schedule for the year here. Understanding that this doesn't include my tour. It has some of the tour things, but we have a separate site for my world tour. After this year, I am technically retiring from group class teaching. I have tons of certified trainers that are going to be at your disposal, ready to train you. Starting in 2026, I will only be doing private mentoring 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, and I'll hold an academy once a year in California and once a year in New York, and that is it. There are some things that I'm trying to work on internationally, and I have many other things that I want to do. No, I'm not quitting photography by any stretch of the imagination. And of course, I will always teach in some capacity. So the workshops here, you can simply go into them, take a look at the description, and you can sign up right from this website. Now, the world tour is the Anna Brandt World Tour 2025.com. And a lot of people are confused with the different things. So all you have to do is come up here and go to all workshops. You can click on Wrapping Clinic and see the wrapping clinics. You can go back and click on the baby mini tour and see the locations and the dates. Click on it and find out where I'm going to be for the mini baby tour. The traditional tour, which is my 2-day international and US tour, maternity, newborn, editing, marketing, AI, you name it, 2 full amazing days. You can see all of the locations and all of the dates here and sign up, okay? In-person workshops, I feel are the best. It's the best. It's me, you, students from around the world, and we learn and we grow. Okay, so now what about everything else? Well, I do teach online. I've been teaching online for 16 years now. That's Belly Baby School, and these are all of your traditional online courses. Maternity, newborn, our baby safety certification, editing, on and on and on and on. You can buy each course individually, or you can buy our lifetime access. So each course individually would cost you over $11,000, okay? So of course, that's a lot to do. So for those of you who enjoy learning from me and enjoy on-demand training, which means once you purchase, you can log in immediately, that's where the lifetime access comes in. It gives you all existing courses and any future online course I create in this school at no additional charge. We have many lifetime members from around the world, and whenever you want, you can go and log on, and I'm constantly creating new courses. Now, with that being said, I have a member app, Anna Brandt member app. I've had this app, I've had a community membership for about 20 years. It's moved several different platforms over the years. In this membership, it's an online app. It gives them a discount to my store, shop@AnnaBrandt.com. There's 30-day growth challenges in here. We've done boot camps in here, holiday setups, there's guides, newsletter templates, marketing boot camp, all sorts of things that you can kind of go in and find out, as well as talking to other members. This is a community app. You can ask me questions, you can post. I just posted some Valentine templates in here. So I've had this app for a long time. Okay. So some of you get confused because you may say, well, I'm a lifetime member. You may be a lifetime member of our community site, but not our school. One is community, one is a school. So then people go, well, what about AI? What is AI? AI is the AI Creative Collective. I have one of the largest sites in the world dedicated to maternity and newborn as far as AI technologies. The idea is to teach you how to use Midjourney specifically, how to composite in Photoshop with your Midjourney images, and everything in between. I've had this site for 2 years now. If you go into the members area, all you have to do is go to AI Creative, and you can scroll down and see all of the different lessons, everything from basic setup. There are over 78 tutorials in here. In addition, we have a Facebook community group and we have a Discord community group. So all of these are locked. In addition, we have an AI library, and in this library there are, I think over 2,000 images that I've used in samples that members can download. We have mini courses, how to create your own backdrops, a wreath mini course, AI basics. So if you want to learn how to use AI, you don't understand it. What is Midjourney? What is Claude? What is ChatGPT? How do we use it with Photoshop? How do we make composites? How do we create our prompts? All of this is in here. And to see some of the before and afters, I have an AI inspiration guide that is free on the homepage, where you can download and see over 50 different examples that I've done over the past 2 years. In addition, I did write a book, 96 pages, on how to make money with AI. It's literally $25 on sale, and you can learn all the different ways that I've made money in this past year. 2 years ago, I didn't know anything about AI. I didn't know anything about Midjourney. I've created my own backdrops, sold backdrops, mentored photographers on Zoom, held in-person AI workshops, and a slew of other things. If you'd like to learn AI and start from the beginning and figure it all out, this is where you need to be. Okay, so now we continue, and you're going to say, but what is the Digital Baby Academy? The Digital Baby Academy started as a way for people to purchase my content. I have joined the space, RR, rights resale, PLR, MRR. You can read all about these, and I do have a free Facebook group for those who purchase. What's great about this site is you can go to find products to resell. You can buy any of these items, put them on your own website, your own Etsy, your own Stand store, your own Shopify store, and sell them for 100% profit. This isn't new. If you search MLR or digital marketing space or content creation, there are people around the world selling content that other people have created. So this is nothing new. I'm just one of the first newborn photographers to really enter this space. Everything you purchase in here, you can put on your website and resell it for 100% profit, which means you can make a lot of money off of something I've created because I'm giving you the license to do so. Now, you may say, that's fantastic. Well, I want to get into this space. I want to create my own content. I want to sell my own products. That's where the How to Be a Digital Creator course came about, that is currently live in process. This is a $700 billion industry. Whether you want to create your own coloring books, your own digital items, your own stickers, your own courses, all of this I have outlined in videos. As we speak, I'm uploading new videos. I just uploaded 2 videos in this space, one on auto DM with your Stand store, another one on Etsy, Etsy platform and cross-pollination. And so if you are a member, you can simply log in. We're already in chapter 6. I'm super proud of the people that have signed onto this course and the things that they're learning. I've put in some of the screenshots of some of the things they've done in just a few days. This is where we are right here. We're working on these courses right here. We still have these lessons to do, and more lessons will be coming. So the Digital Baby Academy course is for those of you who want to learn how to make money in your sleep, how to have a side hustle, what's the best way to do it, how to market, and have me as your mentor to help you along the way. Now let's go back to Anna Brandt Education. Yesterday, I announced my Platinum membership, and I did that because I was on an accountability call on Thursday. My accountability program is where every single week I am on a call. It's like a mastermind where you're on a call every single week on a Zoom discussing with other photographers tips, techniques, challenges, marketing ideas. We have recordings available for all of our accountabilities, and we upload them every week. Okay, so what's great about accountability is people come in with their questions, I answer. And so this past week on Thursday, a few of the members said, what would be really great is what if we just had one Platinum membership where whenever you come out with something new, it's included, because I do a lot of events. So if you go to Anna Brandt Education, you'll see that I had a live family newborn session. That was amazing. We were live for a couple of hours. I had how to be a newborn photographer, where I was live for 4 days. All of the videos are in here. And there's a ton of other resources as well. If you go to howtobeanewbornphotographer.com, you'll see that I have digital posing cards. I have first year digital book, instant download on poses for the first year. You can go in here and see all of the different books and guides that I have. Now, I can't include every single thing in this Platinum membership, but what I did decide to do was I created a Platinum membership in which you could upgrade, so anything new will be included. So when you come in here, it's very simple. If you're already a lifetime member of the school, that's our courses. I already showed you that. It's actually retail $1,000. All you have to do is upgrade for $99, and you will have everything in Platinum, which is you'll be in our accountability starting in April, which is 6 months of a weekly Zoom. You'll have any future Zooms or private lives that I do, any future online programs that I create, any future webinars. You'll have access to the Anna Brandt member app if you don't already. You will also receive access to all of my digitals at Our Creative Dreams. Here's another site. People are like, what is this? Well, I don't include all of my digitals in the AI site. There's a ton of digitals that I create just for myself or my clients, and a lot of people were asking if they could buy them. We ended up turning it into a membership because I have thousands of images and we couldn't simply take the time to sell every image. And so you can go in here and you can just buy some of my packs. So you can buy our mini packs and buy my digitals for your own personal use, not for resale, or you can sign up for a membership and get every digital inside this site or any future digital I create. Well, with the Platinum membership, that's included. Modern wall guides. You probably don't even know that I have modern wall guides. I just released 21 new hallways. Last week, I released my display guide collection for those who want doctor displays. And before that, I had a guide for 20 ways to showcase and sell your wall art with over 190 images, all Photoshop files of which you drag and drop. I think it's important to understand and let you know that I have created all of this myself. I handle all of my own social media, all my own stores, all of my own product creation, all of my digital content, I create myself. This is all included. In addition, it gives you 50% off any workshop on AnnaBrandtEducation.com or any tour workshop, and it gives you Baby University, the Digital Academy, the AI Creative Collective, the Anna Brandt Education, World Tour, How to Be a Newborn for 50% off for life. That's a really good deal. I've outlined it all in here. We have a new course coming up, The Art of Textures and Textiles. I'm going to go live from my academy on January 31st. That's included as well. So if you're somebody that says, I always buy the stuff that Anna releases anyway, this is for you, because for $99, any future thing that I create online will be included. Understand that the AI Creative Collective is not included. These sites are not included. They are extra fees, but you do get 50% off. Yes, I have tons and tons and tons of information. You guys, I'm going into my 26th year. I have a brain that doesn't stop. I'm a working photographer just like all of you. I deal with crying babies just like all of you. I was raised by female leaders and teachers, and I'm just trying to do my best to pass my knowledge on to you. Hopefully that explains my ridiculous digital world. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Anna@AnnaBrand.com, or Jasmine, my virtual assistant, Jasmine@AnnaBrandEducation.com, or jump into our Facebook group, because we have thousands of members from around the world. We're at 32,000 members in our Facebook group, and somebody will answer your question. I've had clients that have become friends, I have clients that have become photographers and friends too. Clients that have become photographers that have become clients. I have a lifetime program for my clients and photographers, and I'm here to help. This is my life. This is my passion, and I'm here to stay and pass along as much information as I can to you. Happy Sunday, January 19th. We did extend our platinum for one more day on sale. Keep in mind, it will go from $99 to $500. It's a fantastic offer. Oh, we're at 33,000. So hopefully this helps somebody. If not, please reach out.